We stood in the vastness of the universe, Uriel, Michael, Gabriel, Raphael, and the host of our brothers. Upon floating rocks suspended in the infinite void, we gathered, gazing into the distance where a dark tide was rising. An immense energy approached Gaia, heavy and unrelenting. We perceived its presence 3 days before it would reach the Earth. And in those 3 days, we were to decide what would be done with this power that now advanced. It was not merely a shadow, but a storm of consciousness, ancient and immense, carrying with it the weight of judgment and transformation. The heavens trembled, and in silence we understood. This was not a moment to flee, but to choose. We spoke among ourselves. Who would descend with this energy to earth? Who would walk beside humanity in its hour of trial? The choice was grave. I, Uriel, stepped forward, knowing that light cannot stand apart when darkness arrives. 2 of my brothers joined me in the vow, while the others remained in support, their presence like pillars of unseen strength. Michael raised the blue gem that radiated from within his hand, a crystalline flame, the symbol of his guardianship. Beside him, Metatron remained silent, woven in patterns of living light, and I, Uriel, felt the fire of decision awaken in my heart. The energy drew nearer, sweeping across the stars like a cosmic wind, stripping away the illusions that veiled creation. S presence stirred in the silence, for what was coming was not destruction, but revelation. And so we descended. We came not as conquerors, but as witnesses, as companions of humankind. Each step toward the earth was a promise that even within the shadow, love would endure. When the dark wave touched the edges of Gaia, it carried with it the reflection of humanity itself. Its fears, its pain, its forgotten memories. Yet our task was not to banish the shadow, but to transform it. For within the human heart lies the key to every trial. And so, with love for humanity, we came. We came to remind them that even when the night seems boundless, there are always those who will ignite the flame.